Hi, I'm DevRow, and welcome to my new devlog. Well, devlogs become more a show and tell now. Newest feature? Highlightable buttons. All of the buttons now highlight when you scroll over them. We still have the character menu, where you can select your character if you're frustrated with Bob, like I am sometimes. Currently there's 3 characters, I might add new ones. So we accept we still have the old scene that we had in there before, but now we tell a little story. So Bob, get up. In the bottom right you see that there is now a feature to skip text in case you want to ignore the story and just go on. I will show you later with this feature that buttons automatically switch when you switch to the controller. So we have a little story, and as you see there's a lot to discover on this island now. At least for now. In the bottom left you see that there's a little notify what quest we are currently doing. So now we need to build the campfire. Let's switch to the controller. Bob, switch to the controller. Bob, where's the controller? There it is. Come on, Bob. So now you see that the buttons in the top left and bottom left switch. Top left is the building menu, which shows you which buildings you can currently build and which you can't. You can now destroy the shipwrecks, which will spawn different resources. For instance, those platforms in this case, items like axes and tools, and of course resources, which was the latest feature added. All of the shipwrecks here spawn different items, which are defined. So if we now finish the campfire, we of course go to the next scene, because that was our current quest. So now Nolan will tell us what we should do next. He is excited we found an axe and prepares us for the next steps. We also can talk again with Nolan, as you see in the top right now, by interacting with him, which will show us the same scene again that we had earlier. And at the bottom right you now see that the button switched. I just saw that it's the same scene, but I will fix this. There are a lot of bugs still in there, which now that I do most of the polishing work, there are a lot of edge cases I encounter that I need to fix. But slowly it's coming together. Now we see your typical gameplay, at least for the beginning. It will change when you later get the worklings. The worklings will be your labor force basically, so they will make it really easy for you to gather resources by just outsourcing it. But to get our first worklings we gotta work a little bit first. So here we see Bob assemble the workshop, which we have seen in a previous devlog. Now Bob, keep going. And if you look in the top right now, you see that those icons vanish. The last one is not updating yet, but I will fix this tomorrow. So you see how much health points a building has until it is destroyed. That also should not happen. We shouldn't be able to place them on top of each other. Buildings have 3 hits and then they collapse. This is for every building. So here we see the next scene, which makes Nolan excited that we now have a workshop where we can build work modules. So he now tasks us with filling it with 10 wood and wool. Don't need to do as much. Just a proof of concept. There are 2 ways of getting resources. The first one is just gathering them from the shipwrecks. The other one is collecting them from the resource points, like the trees, the veins and the stone. sheeps will be not in the start location. I decided against it. So you need to explore the island further later. So Bob, chop some wood. Thank you. Then we put this in, and then we can see that the building is actually counting the resources. Here also all the buttons are highlightable. There's still a bug with the controller. As you see, sometimes it vanishes when I use the controller. But I will be fixing this. I fixed it before. So that's about what I did last week. It was an exciting week. A lot of dry bug fixing, but overall we are making great progress. We still have 21 days left. So I'm excited to see where we go with this. I hope I can get a demo done. Till then, I hope you enjoyed my video. If so, like, share, subscribe, tell your friends, drink some water, and I catch you all next time. Bye bye.